how to add a donation button to your YouTube channel, accept donations. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the process of how you can add a donation button to your YouTube channel. So to allow yourself to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your PayPal, okay? Now, once you come over to your PayPal, what you're going to do from here is you're going to make sure you're fully logged in and you're going to sign straight into the main PayPal dashboard. So once you're into the PayPal dashboard from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to walk yourself through the paypal.me link, okay? So you're going to go ahead, click on request money, and once you click on request money, obviously if you know what the paypal.me is, you can just choose, like if you go on request money over here, in request money, you can finally just go ahead, set up the paypal.me for you. And once you set up the paypal.me, it's going to basically allow you to launch a link on paypal.me. So once this is it. So paypal.me, you're going to, link up and get paid. So it's going to make you a link. So you're going to simply request a link, and once you get the link, you're going to take that link into your video or maybe your YouTube bio, and you're going to paste it there. Or, if you're like, let's say streaming, you can even add it there or add it in your YouTube bio simply and click on add a donation thing beside it. And that is how you can add a donation button. So yeah, basically that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.